Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another Cash App tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to get the white Cash App card. Okay, so we're on Cash App. Let's go ahead and go to the card screen. So this is kind of a preview of my current card. It is a black card, and I'll show an overlay of the actual card right now. So how Cash App works is you have this wallet balance over here, and then you can get a card and spend that balance. And with the card, you can get cool discounts, which are called boosts. So if I tap the change button here, here's a bunch of different boosts that I can get. Usually they're like 5 or 10% off, something like that. I use the Chick-fil-A one quite a bit. So when you swipe your card, it will automatically apply that discount. So there's a new feature that Cash App has launched, which allows you to get a white card. So now they have black and white. So let's tap the 3 dots in the top right corner of the card. It's going to give us some more options. So you want to have your card enabled most of the time if you're using it. I hide my card info just for my videos so people can't steal that. But what you want to do is tap Design New Card. So they've got black and white. You can select this to just check whatever one you want. Let's go ahead and be on white. We'll tap Continue. And now we're on the customization screen. So we've got some options here to customize our card. You can show your cash tag on the bottom. You can toggle that on or off. I'll just toggle mine off. And then in this tap to customize zone, you can customize your card a little bit. So let's go ahead and tap on that. So you can sign your card. Initially, you're on the pen tool on the bottom of the screen. You'll see a pen tool, a smiley, a back, and a cancel. So starting off, you're on the pen tool, so you could sign your name. Let's go ahead and tap the back button. You also have the option to add these icons, which is pretty cool. So you can scroll through here if you see an icon that you like, or you can use letters. You can insert those. So I'll just insert an A. You can tap the plus sign to get more icons. And you can move these around, pinch them to scale them and stuff like that. So I'm not going to do this design, but let's just say that's what you wanted. Go ahead and tap Done. That's a preview of what your card is going to look like. Then you would tap Next. And at that point, it's going to bring up the screen that allows you to fill out all of your information and ship the card to you. I just didn't want to show my address and everything. But that's how you do it. That's how you get the white card and customize it. Just go to the card section of the app, tap the 3 dots on the top right of the card, and tap Design New Card, and you should be good to go. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Also, check out some of the other Cash App videos on the channel if you're interested. There's hundreds of tutorials and experiments. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.